Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Check your iPhone model and iOS so features work, and make sure both phone numbers are active. Once done, install WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business from the App Store. You need two distinct apps to run two accounts. Make sure iCloud is enabled for backups and verify SMS or call access for verification codes. Now, start the first app and complete verification for one number. Do not skip permissions, because you'll repeat the process for the second account using the other app. Next, you verify and configure the second account step by step. If you have eSIM, register the second number directly. Otherwise, use the other physical SIM or temporarily swap SIMs to receive the SMS or call verification. Once verified in WhatsApp Business, restore any iCloud backup only if that number had prior chats. This prevents mixing histories. Then, set notifications and privacy settings differently so you can tell accounts apart at a glance. Keep media auto-download. Finish by testing both apps. Send messages, make a voice call, and confirm each account shows the correct number and profile. If something goes wrong, make sure the SIM is active and has signal. Request SMS again or ask for the verification call, and consider temporarily swapping SIMs to receive codes. Also enable two-step verification on each account and schedule regular iCloud backups so you can recover chats. If notifications overlap, adjust app-specific settings. That solves most confusion between accounts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.